I gotta fire up that beast. I'm gonna show you how to make a fire. Tried and true way. Guaranteed to work. First you get some London Free Press newspapers. Tear them off in single sheets and make them into balls. Well, then go to the wood pile and grab some kindling. And toss it on. Make a teepee. Next, motor oil. Use motor oil. This is how you guarantee your fire lights. First time, every time. You can just light it, walk away, it never goes out even when the wood is wet. So 4 shots. All set. That's it. Guaranteed to go. And you never turn the fan on while you're lighting it. Wolf! You're ignoring me. Well, a little bit of ash does build up in that pipe considering it runs horizontal. Pretty much no creosote. It probably all collects inside there and keeps getting reburnt. Usually all I get out of there is light gray ash, a tiny bit of black stuff. Now I'll show you how I clean it out. Very simple. Next you got to add the tunes. Four big speakers. Fucking snow. Well, anyways, here's my Suzuki. She's burning. And I've got an access clean out port right there. In the wall is a screwdriver to open it. Climb up the ladder. Pry open that little hole, big enough I can get my whole arm in there. And notice I don't have an elbow here. I have a flat T-bottom on the pipe with leaks. You have only partially welded. So when it rains and rain comes down, it doesn't go in the chimney through the wall. It leaks out the bottom, and creosote that builds up in the pipe and falls off also collects in that bottom compartment. So first thing I do before I open that port is I hit that 1/4 inch wall thickness pipe with a hammer. All the creosote that's in it falls down to the bottom. I reach in and I scoop it out. Half my cleaner. It's a long piece of plastic pipe. Another piece sticks in that end just as long. And at the end is taped a potato masher. That thing fits in that hole. And I just shove it back and forth, pull it one way, it pulls the crap out of this hole, push it the other way, and it falls down inside those vertical barrels. So, now you can imagine this thing shoving through the pipe and pushing all the ash, falls down, and it's caught in the bottom. Never gets in your way. Yeah, fire's doing well. I burn a mixture of hardwood, hickory, and elm. They both get diseases up here and die, so got it all for free. Above my monstrosity is a commercial ceiling fan. Well, I flick that on. It's got a variable speed control. Blows the hot air down and puts it into the concrete floor. If you leave that on for a couple hours before you go to bed, it warms up the concrete floor. And then if the barrel goes out, it's still warm in here. Right now it's just rotating in reverse by the hot air rising. And I got my barrel turning white hot now. I've got the fire stoked. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see the smoke and the billowing flames coming through that light in the barrel. So it's a little bit transparent right now, but sometimes I've had it a lot more transparent. It is cooking hot, I'm telling you. I guess I didn't throw quite enough wood in, but it's a little bit transparent anyways. Maybe next time.